I've been shooting for years. Big cameras, small cameras, cameras that cost more than my car. But instant print cameras, they're a different beast. Some are genuinely fun, some are overpriced toys, and one might actually surprise you. I picked 3 of the most popular ones to see which one actually deserves a spot in your bag. Let's get into it. The Polaroid Go is adorable. Like, stick it in your pocket and forget it's there adorable. It's the smallest instant camera I've ever held, and somehow it still cranks out decent shots. The selfie mirror is clutch, no more guessing where your face is. Double exposure mode lets you get artsy, and the self-timer means you can actually be in the group shot instead of behind it. The prints are tiny. They literally fit in your phone case, which is either cute or annoying depending on how you feel about tiny photos. The flash punches above its weight, but low-light shots still get muddy. And the film? Not cheap. But honestly, the size makes it worth it. Best for people who want to carry a camera everywhere without the bulk. The Kodak Step Touch is trying to be everything at once. Camera, printer, mini photo studio. It's got a 13-megapixel sensor, 10 times optical zoom, 1080p video, and a 3.5-inch touchscreen that actually works. You can shoot, edit, and print without ever touching your phone. The zero-ink printing is solid. Prints are smudge-proof and tear-resistant, which is great because no one wants a ruined memory. The editing suite is loaded with filters and frames, so you can make your photos look as extra as you want. It's a bit chunky, but it does everything. Best for anyone who wants a camera that prints, edits, and stores all in one. The Instax Mini EVO is the coolest instant camera I've used in years. It's a hybrid, digital sensor, film prints. You shoot, pick your favorite, then print. No more wasting film on blurry shots. 10 lens effects, 10 film effects, 100 combos to play with. The 28mm equivalent f2 lens handles low light better than most. The print lever is super satisfying to pull, makes you feel like you're using a real camera. The app actually works. You can print from your phone, save photos with frames, and shoot remotely. The build quality is premium. The prints are classic Instax size, and the creative control is unmatched. Best for the photographer who wants a camera that feels like one.